First are regulations and laws. Regarding digital currencies in different countries, regulations and laws concerning digital currencies vary significantly across different countries. Some countries have completely banned them, while others recognize them officially and subject them to supervision. WTE. Key considerations. Lack of unified legal framework. There is no global legal framework for digital currencies. Diverse approaches. Countries adopt different approaches towards digital currencies. Rapid changes. Regulations are evolving and changing rapidly. General classification of countries. 1. Complete ban. China, Bolivia, Algeria, Morocco, Oman, Tunisia, Turkmenistan, Vietnam. 2. Significant restrictions. Russia, India, Egypt, Kenya, Pakistan. 3. Acceptance with regulations. Japan, United States, Canada, European Union, Australia, Singapore. 4. Wide acceptance. El Salvador. Examples of different approaches. El Salvador became the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. Japan recognizes digital currencies as legal digital assets and imposes regulations on exchanges. United States classifies digital currencies as securities or commodities and enforces regulations related to anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC. China has banned transactions and mining of digital currencies but continues to develop blockchain technology. Each country's regulatory stance reflects its unique socio-economic context and policy objectives. As the digital currency landscape continues to evolve, these regulations will play a crucial role in shaping its future.